Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Imou camera not connecting to Wi-Fi. First, check the Wi-Fi band you are using. Most of the Imou cameras only work with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. They do not support 5 GHz connections. Before starting the setup process, make sure your smartphone is connected to the 2.4 GHz network from your router. Some routers combine both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz into one network name. If that happens, open your router settings and temporarily disable the 5 GHz band while setting up the camera. Once the camera connects successfully, you can turn the 5 GHz band back on. Next, confirm that the Wi-Fi password is correct. Many connection problems happen because of typing mistakes. Wi-Fi passwords are case-sensitive, so check uppercase and lowercase letters carefully. Another important step is moving the camera closer to the router. During the first setup, place the Imou camera about 3 to 5 feet away from the router. Thick walls, metal objects, or electronic devices can weaken the signal and stop the pairing process. If the camera still does not connect, reset the device completely. Find the reset button, usually located on the back or bottom of the camera. Press and hold the button for around 10 to 15 seconds. Wait until you hear a beep or see the LED light flashing green. This clears old network settings and allows you to start the setup again from the beginning. Thanks for watching.